A very good morning to our honorable judges and all my dear friends. We are Highway Tornado from SMK Tinggi Pahat, and our group will present our project, which is Intelligence Eco Highway. My name is Yanji.
And I'm Wen Xin.
And my name is Mei Fang. Our project mission is use the wind generated by the car and the environment on the highway to generate electricity. And project vision is to increase the efficiency of the wind energy. Our project objective is build the wind turbine on the side of a roadway or in the center of the divider highway. Second, build an automated robot to bring the damaged wind turbine back to the factory for repair. And what is the renewable energy? Renewable sources are often associated with green energy and clean energy, but there are some subtle differences between these three energy types. Where renewable sources are those that are recyclable, clean energy are those that does not release pollutants like carbon dioxide, and green energy is that which comes from natural source. And the diagram below shows that the types of renewable energy. That is solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, hydro energy, and biomass energy. And next, I would like to pass to Yanji.
In recent years, many reports have shown that the wind energy generation is growing rapidly worldwide and will continue to do so for the foreseeable future. So, what is wind energy? Wind energy is anything that moves, has the kinetic energy, and scientists and engineers are using the wind kinetic energy to generate electricity. Wind energy or wind power is created using a wind turbine, a device that channels the power of the wind to generate electricity. The wind blows the blade of the turbines, which are attached to the rotor, and the rotor will then spins a generator to create the electricity. This is how the wind energy generator works. Next, let me tell you why we have these wind turbines built in highway. This is because highway is highly potential that for wind energy generation because we may use the wind or the drag force produced by the vehicle passing by in high speed to causes the blades to turn, then generates electricity. We also have the wind turbines which built in the middle of the highway, which make sure the wind turbines can receive the wind drag from both sideways. The electricity generated by spinning these turbines could be used up for lighting up the route to avoid accidents and for the use for the toll gates. The excess energy generated could be fed back into the grid or power up the village nearby. Besides, from the surveys, we also be acknowledged that the number of vehicles using the highway has increases rapidly this year. With combination of the idea of this project, not only able to use the wind energy, which is being ignored all the time, but also increases the efficiency of wind energy generation. Moreover, I would like to introduce some engineering concept in our project. First will be the design of the wind turbines. The type of the wind turbines we use is vertical axis wind turbine, or you can call it Vertiwind. The design of Vertiwind allows it catch wind in any direction without directional orientation. Hence, the Vertiwind is able to capture the wind draft in opposite direction from each side of the road. Besides, we use slant blade instead of straight blade. This is because the slant design reduces the distraction of the wind drag force onto the blade. Hence, a higher torque is produced along the blade and smoothen the spinning of the Vertiwind. We also conclude that chromium that alloying into the stainless steel will be the best choice as the material of the blade because of its high corrosion resistance, good heat resistance, hard and brittle, which is able to last long in the strong drag force and also light in mass. Considering of more efficiency wind energy generation, We use fully automation robot for maintenance and replacing the Vertiwind. We add the sensor, GPS, which is global positioning system, and also the ultrasonic sensor for the automation and higher accuracy for robot to know that the road and the position of the Vertiwind. For the robot to have the capability to install and transport the Vertiwind more stable, we believe that continuous track will be more suitable than tire. And that will be all for the engineering concept. Next, I would like to pass to Wen Xin to present the video of our robot movement.
I will present about the robot movement and the process of our project. When there is any wind turbines that are malfunctioning, the robot will receive a signal from the wind turbine and move to the particular wind turbine for replacement. Before going to replace the wind turbine, the robot will carry a few well-functioning wind turbines by hanging them with its hook. This will allow the robot to carry a few wind turbines once. We apply the global positioning system GPS on the robot so that the robot can move to the locations accurately to pick up the wind turbines. The robot is also equipped with continuous track to ease its movement. This is because the continuous track provides a very wide basement to lower the center of gravity of the robot to improve its stability. When the robot is going to across the route, its ultrasonic sensor will emit high-frequency sound waves to detect the vehicles or obstacles and receive the reflected sound wave from these obstacles. When the robot reaches the location with the malfunctioning wind turbines, it will replace them with the new one and ensure that the replaced wind turbines can be well functioned. The robot will carry the broken wind turbines to the factories to be repaired. The robot will put all the malfunctioning wind turbines at a conveyor belt to be transported to the factory to be repaired. At the same time, the robot can move to the end of the conveyor belt to take the well-functioned wind turbines for the replacement if there are still any broken wind turbines. Okay, this is the video of how conveyor belt is functioned.
And this will be the first-person view of the robot during installing the wind turbines. And this is an overall view of our robot. And this will be all from us. Thank you.